Hi everyone, my name is Amber Bach. Yes, my name is Sabir. I included a photo of me as a toddler waving hi because I thought it was perfect for this introduction page. I also have a photo of my siblings. I am 10 in the photo, my sister is 8, and my brother is 5. It's one of my favorite of us. I was born in Chicago, Illinois, and we were actually from a smaller town in northern Chicago called Highland Park. That middle photo is of me and my parents. My mom is 20 and my dad is 23. And I was born on Super Bowl Sunday in 1993 when the Dallas Cowboys defeated the Buffalo Bills. So the Cowboys have always been my team. A little bit about my work history. I used to work for Lucille's. It was a barbecue restaurant in high school and beginning of college. I then went on to work for the Clippers my senior year of college in the special events and client retention department. I basically got to mingle and build relationships with courtside season ticket holders. And I currently work for AAA in the auto claims department as a claims adjuster. I have been there for 2 years now. I love Disneyland. Of course, it's the happiest place on earth. I used to have a pass for about 4 years, and I haven't had one for about 2 to 3 years just because it's so expensive now to go, and I wouldn't take advantage of the pass to its fullest extent just because life, school, everything gets in the way. And then that middle photo is of me and my big. I was in a sorority at CSUN and met some of my best friends there, so it was definitely a great experience. And then on the right, that is me at opening day for the Dodgers back in 2017. I love going to games. I love going to especially opening day just because it's great that everyone like skips out on work to go for this team and express their love for them. And for my final slide, I just wanted to incorporate some of my photos from my 2 most recent trips. I love to go to new cities and experience new things. On the left, we have the observation wheel with the Space Needle in the back. The middle, we have the Space Needle from the Chihuly Gardens, which was beautiful. And then we have Pike's Place Market on the right, which was really fun seeing all the vendors. And then on the bottom, we have my New York trip where we saw the Lion King, which was incredible. Definitely recommend everyone see that. We have the Statue of Liberty in the middle, and then we have the view of the One World Trade Center from the Empire State Building. So thank you so much, guys, for watching my presentation. I really appreciate it, and I look forward to continuing this session and my education alongside you guys. Thank you.